European Court of Human Rights over the Supreme Court's ruling on biological sex. The UK Supreme Court ruled earlier this month that the terms women and sex in the Equality Act referred only to a biological woman and to biological sex, with subsequent guidance from the Equality Watchdog amounting to a blanket ban on the trans people using toilets and other services of the gender they identify as.
Right, so we looked at this yesterday. What he's talking about was it's guidance anyway, you know. And we looked at it with Silver Hot Takes. There's no blanket ban. There's no laws regarding toilets. So that's, you know, before you even start going on about that, there isn't any. So that's that. It's guidance from at the moment it's guidance until they get the legislation sorted out. So there are no laws about toilets. There are very few safe spaces, female safe spaces. They're few and far between. We're talking about Rape Crisis Centre or a women's refuge. Toilets are not safe spaces. And the stuff about the work, you know, it was called. We looked it up yesterday in the Silver Hot Takes video. If you want to go and look at that, you'll see that. So that pretty much explains what he's going on about here. So we're looking at the guidance is should. So transgender women should, you know, not use the female toilets or this is guidance. So that's not law, that's guidance, right? So I think we'll leave it at that. We'll leave it at that just now. I think.
They identify as. Victoria MacLeod, a retired judge, is applying to the European Court of Human Rights to bring action against the UK for infringement of her Article 6 rights. Article 6 of the Human Rights Convention guarantees the right to a fair trial for both criminal and civil matters. And this is what the judge is arguing. Last year, MacLeod sought to have leave to join the litigation in the Supreme Court case brought by gender-critical campaigners for Women Scotland against the Scottish Government. Arguing it could significantly affect legal protections for transgender women, but was rejected. So basically the court looked at this appeal for her to come and give evidence, and they went, well, no really.
Right, what happened there is she didn't, I think it happened too fast, or maybe she hadn't realised what was happening. It was too late. I don't get, okay, right, so I think that's, we'll finish up. We'll finish up.